Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be tackling a very important issue which comes in regards to the canvas painting is what actually to paint on a canvas. So in this video I will be showing you 4 different designs that you can try on your canvas. Starting off, I'll be making borders using sellotape, and for the first canvas painting I will be making a pink sunset scenery, for which I have just blended out pink with blue and some white on the bottom. Once the color dries off, I will be adding some black mountains, black birds, some clouds, and I thought of adding some moon and some stars as well. For the second canvas painting, I will be making an orange sunset. So for this, I will be blending out orange along with the red on the top, and once that dries off, I will be making black color ground with a black shadow of a coconut tree on one side and a house on the other. To show light coming out of the house, I will be using lemon yellow to show so, and we're done with the second canvas. For the third one, however, it's a very cartoonish, a very structured one. I will be making a light sky background. I should have made it lighter since I was using pink for the flowers. You can either make lighter one or use darker petals. So I will be making 5 petals and some leaf. Then I'll be making the ground, add some structure to the leaf and the ground. Once I'm done with that, I will be adding some cloud, a very fluffy ones for sure, and then add some more flowers in the background. Once I'm done with that, I'll be adding some more shadow using black and give more detailing. With that, we're done with third, and we move on towards the fourth design. This one is the most easiest and the most aesthetic one, and I will be starting this canvas by simply painting lemon yellow in the background and make some watermelon cuts like the triangle ones and the half watermelon and some full watermelon. I will be using red, white and green for the cutouts of watermelon, and for the full watermelon I'll be using bright green ovals and will be using olive green to structure the watermelon fruit. Here we are done with all 4 of them, and we move on to the most satisfying or either the most annoying part of canvas painting, if the paint leaks. So as you can see, the pink sunset canvas leaked and it looks disgusting, of course, but we can fix it very easily. All you need to do is just use white paint and border over it to make it more flawless one. Once we are done with the borders, it should look something like this. To finish off, we will be varnishing all of our canvas painting. It is the most important step that protects your canvas for a longer period of time. All you need to do is just take some varnish on the brush and swipe it all over your canvas. This will bring more glossiness to the canvas and make it look more prettier. The slight stickiness that the acrylic paints have would vanish off, and your paintings are going to look flawless. We are done with our video. I hope you liked all of the designs that I have shown on the video. I hope you would comment, you would try it out and let me know in the comment section below. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe, like, share, and comment. So until next time, bye bye.